Best teas for long hairs. Herbal teas are basically warm hugs in a mug. Right from their refreshing aroma to their long lists of health benefits, herbal teas are the superheroes you need in your life. But did you know that besides benefiting your body, some teas also work wonders for your hair? Well, now you know. So, while we're all for following proper hair care routines, we also believe that a little extra care never hurts anyone. So, we have picked out best herbal teas that you can include in your daily routine for healthy lustrous hair. Also, you can comment down if you had any special tea recipe for long hair. I will make sure to mention it in our next video. So let's start today's video. 1. Lavender tea. Yes, the aromatic goodness of lavender tea can do much more than just calm your senses. Lavender tea helps fight dandruff and can be used to rinse your hair to soothe your scalp and reduce hair fall. Also, thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties, this tea lowers the chances of skin infections and detoxifies the skin to keep it healthy and happy from within. 2. Dandelion tea. Don't let the bitterness of this tea deter you, for dandelion tea is super good for your hair and skin. This herbal tea is rich in antioxidants that help fight signs of aging and also detoxifies it. As for your hair, the iron, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, biotin, and calcium in this tea strengthens your tresses and promotes healthy hair growth. 3. Rose tea. Besides smelling like a bouquet of roses, this herbal rose tea is exceptionally good for your hair. Rich in antioxidants, rose tea is also called natural retinol because it can help fight signs of premature aging like wrinkles, fine lines and dullness on your skin. Furthermore, with vitamins A, B3, C and E, rose tea helps stimulate hair growth and make your scalp healthy. Please consider liking and subscribing if you enjoyed this video. See you next time.